Hi guys, this session is about the ocular system, which is the eye and the Adnexa. Let's move on to the procedures. So before that, as usual, please have a fair understanding of the basics anatomy, so that because we are going to talk about each of these anatomical structures and the procedures, if you have a good idea about the anatomical structures, the procedures will be very much easier. Okay, just I want to just brush through, touch base with the basics of this eye anatomy. So we all know eye as an organ is lodged within the orbital cavity. It is held in place by the extraocular muscles, and the eye has three layers: sclera, choroid, retina, and we have the conjunctiva, which is a mucous membrane that surrounds the anterior layer, and the eye is guarded by the lids called as a blepharo or the tarsal or the eyelids. Then we have the sclera and the cornea. There is a junction which is a sclerocorneal junction, also called as limbus. And posterior to cornea we have the iris, and posterior to iris we have the lens. So as we see here, the cornea, iris and lens, it forms two chambers called as the anterior chamber and the posterior chamber. The fluid which is there in this, both of these together form the anterior compartment, and the fluid in the anterior compartment we say as aqueous fluids. Whereas posterior to lens we have the posterior compartment. It contains more viscous and gelatinous substance called as a vitreous humor. Now coming to those anteriormost techniques that are commonly performed, let's go step by step. First let's go to cornea, then iris, then lens and all the structures, and the peripheral and also the posterior ones.